Hello guys, I am the Rexo. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to see about a service in AWS, which is called as S3 Event Driven Automation using AWS Lambda, which is nothing but automation backup from one bucket to another bucket. Okay, let's get into the service. First, we need two buckets. For that, for search S3, open it. It and click create bucket. Just give the bucket name. Okay, doesn't need to change any default settings, just create bucket. It is one bucket and let's create another one bucket. One bucket, one copy. Here also no need to change any default settings, create bucket. Now we are created a two bucket. Here is the detail expression. First of all, this is our original bucket. We can upload all the details files in this bucket one. Bucket one. By using Lambda functions, we can able to automatically backup the bucket original bucket's details to copy bucket whenever the files are uploaded into bucket one. Next, we need an role. Go and search here. IA. Wait. Search IAM. Here we have to create one role. Click this role, create role. At AWS service, keep this default. Here service or use case choose Lambda. For this functionality of automation backup, we only using Lambda functions. So we go to Lambda. Then next, and here I have to give two policies. One is Amazon S3 full access and CloudWatch full access. See this normal CloudWatch full access, not this version 2. Click this. Next. And we here give role name and just scroll down on create role. Now roles are successfully created. Now we have to get into the Lambda function. So search here Lambda, open it. Here you have to create a function. No need to change anything, just follow my instruction. It's stable stated author or from scratch. Here you have to create a function name like my lambda function. Okay. For this lambda function, we are going to write code in Python. So select Python version 3.13. Scroll down and click this change default execution role and click this use an existing role. Click here, you can see available role created. Click this lambda role and then create function. Now we created a function. Okay, in this function, what are the functionality you have to do means if any action occurred in this original bucket means that one occurred means we have to back up the all files in the original bucket to this secondary bucket. For that, we have to add a trigger. Okay, in trigger, we have to select S3 because we only send backupping in bucket. So select S3. And here we have to give our the main bucket that is called original bucket. And then event types, just make it as all object create events. Scroll down or click this acknowledgement and that. Oh, now we successfully launch trigger. Okay. Then scroll down and click this code. Just proceed. Here you can see this code source. In here you see a create new test event. Click this. Here you have to give a event name. You give first event, and in this template you have to select S3 put. After this, here you can able to see an default code. Here you have to change three changes. Come to the 16th line S3 into that name. In this example bucket, remove this and give your original bucket name. Name one, bucket one, OG1. Okay, one check my one, bucket one, OG1. Okay, before going to do this, you have to upload one file into C. My bucket originally is empty and my bucket one copy also empty. Now we have to go into upload a file in OG bucket. Add files, hold on and upload. Now in bucket one you can see a file DGS. Now go to and see the bucket one copy, there is no files. Okay. Now come back to here. In this name you have to create bucket OG and scroll down, and here in ARN you have to give the same your original bucket name. My one, bucket one, OG1. The last changes is in here, key. In key you have to set this the in original bucket we uploaded on file in file that name. Copy this name and paste it here. Okay. For the first functionality only, you have to select the file name and triggering it. After that, you don't need to mention any file name to copy automatic backup. I will tell you in later. Okay. Now we have changes, three changes. Now go up and save it. Okay, the test unit successfully saved. Then deploy. No changes. Okay, test control shift. If the status code comes to 100 means it is successfully saved. Now here you have to write a main code. Okay. Here I have an Python code. Okay. Here I have been written that the function code for automation backup for bucket one original to bucket copy. So this is the code I will be attached to the description. In this code you have to change only one. This destination bucket equal to your secondary bucket name. Okay. Here you have to change only this into your secondary bucket name and then deploy it. Test. This is the code. In this code you have to only change the destination bucket name only. Deploy. Test shift L. You make it status code 200. The file copied successfully. If you go to your bucket and see your copied bucket means here you will have the file which we uploaded in our original bucket. See here also bucket 1 have one file, bucket 2 have one file. If in bucket 1 we adding another file, okay, in bucket 1 is having another file. Now if go and see the bucket 2 now, it will be automatically backup here. See, in bucket 2 also it copied. So this is it. This is the service S3 event driven automation using AWS Lambda. Okay guys, thank you. See you in another video.